September sales report and best-selling items. For the month of September, I had 71 sales across all stores. This is a 32% decrease from the 104 sales I had in August. Sales broken down by store: Miss Rhoadie 31, Weddings by Rhoadie 22, Homeschool Me 5, Rhoadie's Kitchen 8, Alma Africa 5, Bible Verses and Gifts 0, Earrings by Rhoadie 0. Best-selling items. In first place was my neon pink trendy 80s leggings from Miss Rhoadie's store. My birthday wishes for him greeting card was in second place, and that's also from Miss Rhoadie's store. Pretty Hostess tote bag was in third place, and that's from Weddings by Rhoadie. The rest of my sales included items such as shot glasses, shirts, towels, leggings, buttons, wrapping paper, in order of playing cards, greeting cards, a pack of Post-it notes, stickers, a postcard, a set of napkins, a puzzle, a set of RSVP cards, a throw pillow, a Christmas stocking, in order of flyers, and a nameplate. Customer demographics. 69% of my customers were from the U.S. and 31% were international. 71% of my customers were women, 23% men, and 6% unknown. I had 2 top states: New York, which had 16 sales, and Texas with 10 sales. These are my international sales: Germany 1, New Zealand 3, Australia 12, Canada 1, Switzerland 1, Sweden 1, United Kingdom 1, and Belgium 1. Honorable mentions. This is the first sale of my Evo baby bodysuit, and this is after being on the market for 3 years, and that store is Alma Africa. Referrals. I had 3 referrals for the month of September. 2 of those referrals were napkins from Marion Studios, and the other referral was a thermal tumbler from Marbles Pictures. Takeaways. September saw a decrease in sales. When I did research into this, I discovered that September experienced a downward economic trend in the U.S. because of rising costs and the threat of a recession. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.